Hey, this is Joseph Williams. I am out here with Mother Nature. I want to show y'all the reasons that we need to keep America beautiful and Arkansas beautiful and take care of Mother Nature. I want you to see all this. Give them a pen. Hand this for them out here. See this. See the water, how it's flowing freely. There's no trash or anything messing up our ecological system. This is what it's all about. This is the reason we need to keep America beautiful. We pick up our trash and be concerned about all of our ecological concerns and everything, about pollution and smoke. Because I, for one, I take particular pride in keeping America beautiful just for this, because the Creator gave us this. We need to take care of it. And that's what I'm going to do, start doing. I have been doing that, but I'm really going to start doing it. Just follow me. What it's all about, people. The beauty of Mother Nature, what the Creator gave us. We need to take care of it. Or sometime soon, there won't be none of this left if we don't take care of it. And our generations don't care to take care of it. We all need to unite together to keep it clean and preserve it. I am out in the middle of the Ozarks. I've gone for especially just for this documentary. This is a tributary running off the Ozarks. Show them the water here. Show them how crisp and clean it is. It don't get any cleaner than this. So let's all stick together, keep America beautiful, because I really believe in that.